to be using the Kat Von D Divine Eyeshadow Palette. I've already blocked out my brows and attached my face tapes. This is what the palette looks like after you take it out of the case. And it looks like one of my shadows is smushed, no big deal. But these are the colors, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using this on my eyes today. Let's go ahead and get started with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm going to apply that with the Real Techniques Prep Brush. Next, moving on to MAC Correct and Conceal, using Pure Orange on my beard line and Ochre under my eyes. Let's put a little bit of the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in Canary Bling. On the high points of the cheeks here. So I really want some extra sparkle. Kryolan TV Paint Stick in 6W. Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Kryolan TV Paint Stick in NG2. Real Techniques Stippling Brush. Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer in SX01, and I'm applying that with the Real Techniques Bold Metals Collection Concealer Brush. Deluxe Crease Brush. Real Techniques Setting Brush. Alright, now let's set everything. I'm going to be using the new Real Techniques Miracle Powder Sponge, and I'm using my cocktail of Kryolan translucent powder and Ben Nye banana powder mixed together. Dusting off the excess with Real Techniques powder brush. Going into contour first with Blunt and a Real Techniques sculpting brush. And then I'm going to follow that up with MAC Taupe and the large Rebel Edge Real Techniques brush. Next I'm going to use a MAC 227 with MAC Taupe, and I'm just going to gently carve out my nose. MAC blush in Fleur Flower and Real Techniques blush brush. MAC matte bronzer and the Real Techniques artist powder brush. Real Techniques Rebel Edge brush in medium and Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Uranus. Urban Decay Brow Blade in Neutral Nana. Let's go in with the Real Techniques base shadow brush and female treble. Next, I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques Instapop shade brush and Waters, which is this light blue color right here. And let's blend that out with a MAC. Ooh, what is this? It's worn off. I think it's a 222. Let's see, Real Techniques Bold Metal Collections 200 eyeshadow brush, and we're going in with Baltimore. And let's blend the crease with the Real Techniques Defining Crease Brush. Real Techniques, let's see, which one is this one? Real Techniques, Instapop Crease Brush, and Hard Magic. And let's blend that out with the MAC 222 brush. For under the eyes, let's use the MAC 219 and Filthy. Real Techniques base shadow brush. Just buff that a little bit. Let's see, next we have a MAC 239 and Babs. Let's put a little bit of hairspray right on top of that. Pink Flamingos, which is the last color in this palette. And I'm going to pop that right here. Let's finish up the eyes. A little bit of MAC Smolder. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Shu Uemura Eyelash Curler. MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. Just pop my lashes on. Now it's time for lips. I'm using Runway Rogue lip pencil in Cover Shoot. Real Techniques lip blur brush. Runway Rogue lipstick in Photo Op. Real Techniques lip brush. Let's do Runway Rogue lip gloss in Supermodel. MAC Prep and Prime Fix It in Pink Light. Just a little bit more highlighter. Alright, I think that's it. So this was the Kat Von D Divine Eyeshadow Palette that I used today. I had fun with these colors. It sort of created a sort of a blue smoky eye with a little peachy pink lip. I had fun with it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. If you can, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.